Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just worked my ass off for 3 hours on this 98 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive, which you remember that I was putting aftermarket front struts, used ones, but I filmed for you how to replace rear shocks. After the owner got it from me, he wasn't happy. The front, where the struts, they were 1.5 inch approximately taller than original. The front was nice, high, but the rear was the same. The springs were supporting the back same way, and it was sitting down on the back. And to fix that, the owner got again from that neighbor, who is, I guess, off-road guru, he got great part. Do you see that brand new spring which I just installed between those? So this is actually what will perfectly help this vehicle to get higher. Now if you ever want to do it, it was just one spring, so the shackles here, the shackles, there was enough of space for the nuts to reuse them. You don't have to purchase different shackles. You just purchase these 2 springs. It comes with 2 bolts and 2 nuts. And before putting it on the lift and starting the job, I measured through the center of the wheel towards to that top fender, right, the upper part. The front was 38 inches and 3/8, so it's nicely higher in the front, but the rear was only 35. After doing this and just dropping it down from the lift, which will sag tiny bit after the test drive, I have 39 in the front and 39 in the back. And I have to say, and I'm sure you will agree, it looks pretty cool. Let me take one more shot outside in front of my shop. And before I will do that, this is the box. It's a Pro Comp, and this is the part. It's an add-on leaf rear short. So it was a short spring. I believe this is correct number, and it completely fixed that problem. And here you can see her right in front of the shop. This is perfect fix of that rear, which was really low. I wish I took a shot of it before the repair. I completely forgot, but trust me, the whole truck was this way. It was really low on the back. So yeah, I hope you will one day, somebody will one day find this helpful. If you have the same problem with the sagging back, those short leaf springs actually can help you a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you later, my friend.